Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to translate chat on WeChat. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about WeChat. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your WeChat account. So I'm going to click on here to open my WeChat. Then select a chat contact that you are chatting with on WeChat. So it's going to open up like this. So let's, for instance, you are chatting with another person that you do not understand their language. So this English language right here, I'm going to translate it to so many languages that you can simply understand. So right here, what you need to do is to simply click and hold down on the chat. So let's, for instance, I want to translate this. I will click and hold down this, and this is going to pump up. Okay, next thing we can do here is to simply click on translate right here. And it translates it to one language right here. Now, if we want to change this particular translation to another language, what we can do is to simply click and hold down this translation, and this is going to pump up. Next thing we can do here is to simply click on change language. Then we can choose another language we understand right here. So at the time of making this video, these are the available languages that you can simply translate to on WeChat. So let's say I want to translate to Arabic. I will select on the language and I'll click on done from the top right here. And in a few seconds, everything will be translated back to Arabic, just like what you see right here. And from here, we can simply read and understand the chat. So you can also click on here again and click on translate. And this is also back in Arabic. You can click and hold down again and change this one language to another language. Let's say we want to change this to hello, then click on done. So this is depends on the kind of language you understand. You can see it right here. We have translated this into Arabic, and we also translate this into Italian language. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply translate chat on WeChat without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial on how best to use WeChat. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you